Yes, the carnivore diet and the ketovore diets are two different diets. So I do coaching on the carnivore and on the ketovore diet. The ketovore diet is between the keto diet and the carnivore diet. So on the ketovore diet, you still eat vegetables, but in a very limited fashion. So it's more like the carnivore diet in the sense that it's very much meat focused. The way that it differs from the ketovore, or the way that the ketovore differs from the keto, is in particular in the type of spices that we use. We don't use refined spices. And there are different other nuances that we talk about in the coaching. So you also get something like a low or a light ketovore diet, or a more heavier type of ketovore diet. And it depends on what type of vegetables are allowed. It depends on the inflammation and the uric acid levels as well. On the carnivore diet, we also do a selection. Carnivore is not just something that's on a list. I cut out certain things for certain people. Depends on the inflammation and uric acid levels and the situation that they experience in their body, where they are at. And that's why a carnivore ketovore coaching session is a good thing to consider. So when we do the coaching, I will explain both the ketovore and the carnivore diet for you. And if there needs to be adjustments that we need to make, I'll make it for you. And I will then give you the details of what I suggest to cut out for now. We also make adjustments as we go on with our coaching path. So many of my clients prefer to do a longer or walk a longer path with me with the carnivore ketovore coaching, and it's a place where you can soundboard what you think you know and what you've learned. I just coached a lady that has been on the carnivore diet for 3 years, but she experienced a weight loss stall at the moment. So she's new to the coaching now, but she's actually a veteran. She's doing carnivore for 3 years. She did experience some breakthroughs, but she's hitting a plateau. So we're working to change that now. So WhatsApp me, do carnivore ketovore coaching. We've got boot camps, online boot camps, and we will do coaching on WhatsApp video call. You can have me as an accountability partner. You get recipes, etc. WhatsApp me.